In today's video, I'm going to show you how to see your second phone messages in your first phone. This is my first phone and this is my second phone. So I can see these phone messages in my this phone. You can see everything is same. In the first position, you can see there is name baby and you can see there is also the same name baby and baby I miss you, baby I miss you. And everything is same, okay? And if I try to message, new message, I mean that time also that message will be appearing here, okay? So let me try to write some new message. Sorry, let me try from another one. Suppose this one. And if I try to give any message, you can see all messages come in here. So this is really amazing features for you. So if you really want to learn how to see your second phone messages or your other phone messages in your first phone, that time you can see this video. So before starting the process, I'll ask you something that please subscribe my channel and give also like this video. So let's start. So first of all, let me disconnect this and after that I will show you how can you actually do this. So I assume that this is my first phone and this is my second phone. So I will see this phone message in my this second phone. Okay. So for doing that, I need to come to my this first phone and after that, let me go to Google Play Store. And then type here something which is Google Message. So you need to install these messages in your phone. But if you already have that, then just update this application. So actually my internet is slow, so that's why it takes some time. So just update your this Google Message application. And after that, just you need to go to your Gmail application. And right now you need to click here your profile icon. And then I need to choose my this last email because I need this email in both phone, okay? Otherwise you can create a new email and after that you can use it in both phones. So let me remember this email, okay? Just come to your this application which is Google Message application and then go to your this profile icon. Then you can switch account from there. You can see this is my Google account. So if you don't find that, then just click here switch account and you can see your another email address. So just connecting this Gmail address, just click here device pairing, this option. So now you can see use your phone number to send and receive messages on device signed in to your Google account. So how to pair? So open Google Messages on your other devices or go to this address and on your other device sign into the same Google account. So right now I need to come to my this second phone and then I need to go to my this Google Chrome browser. Then I need to search here one address which is Google Message Web. Just search this one, Google Message Web. And in the first position, you can see there is the address. Let me show you. There is the address. So let me click this one. And after that, you can see trying to raise your phone. So I couldn't do it. So I need to click here this icon. And after that, I need to add my this same Gmail account. You can see. Let me go to that same Gmail. I need to log in my this same Gmail in my this phone. I mean second phone. Okay, so after that, let me click here, continue this. You can see there is the same Gmail. Both are same. So let me click this one, continue. And pair your phone. So on your phone, open the Google Message app and match the emoji that shows up here on your phone. So you can see there is a card. So I need to select card from there. So wait for a few seconds. Again, click here device pairing, then click here try again. and you can see there is one plate and fork, so I need to select that same emoji. And it's already done. You can see there is my that device, pair device. Okay, so let me get back from here, and whenever any messages come to in this phone, that time it will be also available in this phone. Let me try again, and if I do chats, suppose if I chats from here, hi, you can see the message appear in here. So this is it, guys. So by this easiest process, you can see your first phone messages in your second phone easily. And if you want to unpair this, that time just come to your first phone, then click here your profile icon, then go to device pairing, and after that just wait for a few seconds, and then click here unpair all devices, and that time this phone will be disconnected. So that's it, guys. So thank you so much for watching this video, and if you face any kinds of problem, then please let me know. I'll try my best to help you. Thanks.